Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete all bookmarks in Chrome on your PC. If your bookmarks are cluttered or you simply want to start fresh, follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Next to your profile picture, located in the top right corner, click on the side panel. This will reveal a menu with various options. Step 3. Click on Edit from the side panel menu. This will take you to the bookmarks editing mode. Step 4. Select all your bookmarks. You can do this by clicking on the first bookmark, then holding the Shift key and clicking on the last bookmark. This will highlight all the bookmarks in between. Step 5. Now go to the bottom of the side panel and click on Delete. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete again to remove all the selected bookmarks. And you're done. All your bookmarks have been deleted. Remember to back up important bookmarks before proceeding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.